So I'm trying to work. I'm in the den. I'm on the floor gathering stuff up for work. And Daddy is bellowing for me. Debbie, come here, come here, come here. So I walk through the doors, and this is what I see. I'll do a close-up. That's an arrow. Arrow. More arrows. Oh, more arrows. Daddy. More arrows. Following the arrows. Arrows, arrows, arrows. Oh, up the counter. Arrow. And on the calendar, oh, let me just say that, no, I'll say that later, is a little sign that says left. Sarah, lift it. Poop. What this means is my dad, who's obsessed with pooping, as you can see from the calendar where he writes it every time he goes, with his prunes, is obsessed. Now we can go back. Thank you, Daddy.
Okay.
Is obsessed with pooping. No idea why, but he is. So this is my life. The end.